Today we'll be trying out the MIG 205DS from YESWELDER. This little welder runs off a 110 or 220. It's a MIG welder, gas or gasless, a stick welder, and a TIG welder. It's a good quality welder that can take care of all your welding needs for right around $450. The welder comes with an instruction booklet, but it's easier to just watch some videos on YouTube on how to set it up. You just unscrew this bolt here, set your roll on there, feed the wire through, and this little guy is a tensioner that puts tension on the wire and feeds the wire through the gun. On the front of the welder, you're going to tell the welder what you're welding and the process that you're using. So we're going to go here and we're going to say we're going to use MIG and what size wire. So we have 0.035, 0.030 or 23. We set it there. Then this is the type of trigger that you want to use on your gun. And this is on and off, and this is a little bit different. But we're just going to go on, off like that. And we're just going to set. We're going to use this button here to go to the thickness of the metal. And we're going to go right down to 0.08 thickness, which is right around 0.030 inches, or 22 or 20 gauge metal. We're set up for MIG right now, so we'll give it a try. First, we'll just do a couple spot welds, and then we'll lap weld that piece on there. And that works real nice. And this is 0.030 wire, and I use 0.023 wire on my miller. But it seems pretty much the same. So let's try to lap weld this. And that works pretty darn good, and the welds look really nice. To switch over to gasless, you'd mount your Flux Core wire, feed it through right here, set the tensioner, and feed it through the gun with the button on the front of the machine. Now that we're set up for Flux Core, we'll give it a try. And again, we're using 0.030 or 22 gauge metal. Now let's say you wanted to weld a little bit thicker metal. You'd hit this button and go to the thickness of the metal. And it's at 1.6. We're gonna try some 1/8 inch steel. And that's about 3 millimeters. We'll set it to 3 millimeters. And it'll automatically set up the welder for that thickness of metal. Again, we'll be welding 1/8 inch steel with Flux Core. And here's a close-up shot of that weld after wire brushing it. To set up for stick welding, simply unplug this and plug our stick holder into that port. And this is the ground, and we're ready to go. And now we're just going to tell the welder that we'll be stick welding, and there's a little picture of a stick welder right there. So we'll move it on down to that guy. And this is your temperature, so we can set that. I haven't done too much stick welding, but we'll give it a try anyway. To use the TIG welding mode, you can purchase the TIG gun that fits this welder for $49. Otherwise, we'd try that out too. Overall, this is a great welder for the DIY person who wants every method of welding at their fingertips. MIG, Flux Core, stick, and TIG. After using it, you'll agree and know it's built to last. I hope you enjoyed this video on the MIG 205DS from YESWELDER. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.